Sui, from the Latin expression sui generis, meaning that which is unique and original, even peculiar. This building was erected in just 20 days on the iconic garden of Palácio das Mangabeiras, in the capital of Minas Gerais, Brazil. There was a reverent respect for the environment as we tried to create a gentle dialogue between what was already there and what was introduced there, thus synchronizing the landscape with the man-made. A cozy breakfast area adjacent to the front porch provides a relaxing atmosphere that mingles sofas and trees surrounded by a gorgeous garden. An iron and wood chaise designed by André Ferri, an artist from Minas Gerais state, is suitable for moments of reading amidst the pleasant nature. The rebar mesh rises in the background, letting light in freely as eyesight reaches as far as the beautiful araucaria and palm trees. Sui House was built having a horizontal linear format and a purposefully set back base which is embraced by nature on each side. Sets of two folding pivoting doors, symmetrically spaced from each other, extend throughout the whole length of the facade, inviting to contemplate the various angles of the surrounding landscape. Besides opening and closing at will, these set of doors also beautify the pavilion by displaying manually woven nautical ropes over their glass that not only filters natural lighting, but also provides an ephemeral game of light and shadow within. The gourmet living area is a true ode to both family gatherings and informal meetings. The kitchen island with the attached table and the organic couch creates a direct connection with the more fluid layout of the house. From the lighter tones to the gray ones, from the warm touch of wood to the mix of textures, everything is affectionate and welcoming. In the background, a curved wall houses a bookcase in one end and a vertical garden paired by a cellar on the other. Some other highlights are the rough wood finishing of the shelves, in which an array of ceramic dishes rest, a climate-controlled wine cellar, a minibar, and even an area dedicated exclusively to a coffee corner. In a more secluded area, we find the bedroom framed in a wooden structure, following the same detached concept of the house. The bed is set at the center of the room, facing the outside garden. On one side of the room lies the Sui reclining chair, which was designed by the architect exclusively for this display room, besides some paintings by Daniel Mansur. On the other side, there is a wood-framed cabinet. The bathroom has a relaxing soaking tub and also a beehive-shaped bookcase. Behind the bed raises an emerald green quartzite panel that serves as both the headboard and the wall that gives privacy to the bathroom behind it. The punctuated lighting values both the volumetry, textures, and elements that deserve to be highlighted. The whole house was projected taking into consideration the full length of metallic bars available in the market, avoiding waste. Modules of 6 meters were cut from 12-meter metallic bars to optimize the usage of the materials, the ease of execution, and the speed of the process, thus making this building easily adaptable to any location. The architectural construction flows through the gardens as nature penetrates within designed structures in a perfect symbiosis that renders unity and connection. In Sui House, everything is punctuated with values of nature, lighting, details, and textures, as if all these elements immerse in one another to be highlighted and echo the delicate comfort of living a synchronized life with nature.